host for this evening program. Tonight, we celebrate a very special milestone as we proceed to the 18 roses. As they offer their rose and dance with our celebrant, let us celebrate not only years she lived, but also a beautiful connection has nurtured along the way. May I call on...
Hello everyone! Hi! Thank you for coming tonight. I love you all. Appreciate you. Love you. And you all can go now. Okay, let's go. Continue.
Let's get
Let's go check out the house.
Thank you everyone for coming. Wait. Blow. Wait. Isa pa, hindi na po. Yan. 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Yan. Yung mga daddies, mga ready ko. Let's do that yung Uncle Daddy. It's a bird, it's a plane. Oh, it's so weird.
Yan na!
Ay, isa pa daw.
Isa pa raw! Isa pa!
Isa pa kasabitan kong daddy. Asan na?
Oh, message. Okay. I wish you nothing but success and many more years of happy life. Looking forward. Love you. Greatest thing that ever happened to me. And then what?
Yan. Okay.
Okay. First, I just want to thank my grandma for everything that she's done. She's raised me since I was a baby, and I just wish her the best. Really, I pray that God, every day, I'm so grateful that He wakes her up, and I just pray that He provides her with the love and support that she needs. And that's it.
Si Miss is the kid namin nandito. Saan ka pupuntahan, Shawi? Ikaw na, katawag mo. Ito naman. O, gitna. Yes. Yes. Oh.
Wish. Ikaw na kaya magbago.
Ate, nagbago kang buhok!
Tita, happy birthday. Tita, thank you sa lahat.
Ba't umiiyak ka? Next.
Happy birthday! Ano lang ta? Thank you for your wisdom, generosity, at saka love for everyone who surrounded to you. Maraming salamat sa mo. Thank you for kasama mo kami dito ngayon. Dito mo celebrate. Hindi lang para sa celebration sa birthday mo, kundi gusto mo rin makasama yung family mo. Thank you.
Dalawa na ta!
Yan. Next. Picture muna, picture. Mamaya, picture tayo ulit.
Habol na lang po yun.
Habol na mamaya.
Habol na lang.
Wala na talo.
Selo si Irene.
Yan.
Birthday. Thank you for salamat. Sabi ko lang, manatili ka maganda sa more blessing and happy day. God bless you.
Yan. Next. Ayun na.
One more, Ruth English
Ruth, alam mo na. Bakit umiiyak?
Hindi pa namin alam. English.
Hello? Sabi ko nga walang iyakan. Walang iyakan na. Through the years.
Happy birthday, boss. Wish ko magandang kalusugan mo.
Kasasabi ko na.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, pati sa inyong magkakapatid. Kahit wala na si Jigger, nandun pa rin sa amin.
Ay, si Kuya Jigger, oh.
Kasama si Kuya, invited.
Wala akong phone.
Mamaya din.
Ano?
Makilapit yung mic.
Happy birthday, my BFF. Wishing you a good health.
Dapat mo po, no?
Dapat English daw. Pilinda. English.
Sexy nga niya eh. Baka nga magaya ako.
Sabi ni mamaya.
Kasi tayo na pala.
Lapit mo, lapit yung mic.
My dear sister, with this candle, I have only one simple wish for you, and that is to stay happy, stay healthy, stay pretty, and more Michael Kors bags. Sa edad natin na to, na 60, I think we need to protect ourselves, our mental and physical health, and especially the emotional well-being. What I am referring to is that is a self-care. It is very important at our age. Happy birthday.
Teacher lahat. Then, sige.
Thank you very much. Alexander Rayo Pinaldo.
Walang alam. Walang alam.
Frederick Flores.
Sa mamay ko. Ayaw. Taon na yun.
Edwin Jace Michael Biboso.
Ay.
Mga bata.
Wala yung sound.